The best gardens are the result of a collaborative effort between the garden designer and the homeowner. I take my cues not only from the client, but also from the site, the architecture of the home, and the view beyond the property boundaries. The results are a unified and intentional garden, beautiful and enduring, one that feels effortless, as if it belongs, and as if the garden has always been this way. My family has been in Western North Carolina for generations. I love finding unique ways to create outdoor spaces that are not only extensions of the inside living spaces, but also have a sense of connection to the borrowed landscape that is beyond the planned garden. When I first bought the house I'm in over 20 years ago, it was a complete blank slate. This garden has been my experiment, one that has allowed me to try out new ideas, new products, or plant combinations. Every single plant I put in other people's gardens, I've tried my own. The first meeting with clients is so exciting, full of energy and hope and possibility. I enjoy getting to know homeowners, and understanding what is important to someone really impacts the garden I design for them. During the design process, I will create a conceptual drawing that outlines where the garden beds are going to be, where are the living spaces going to be, where are the dining spaces. I work out all of the foot traffic patterns so that there's logical flow from one part of the garden to another. I'm on site during construction of the garden to make sure that it is installed according to the design intent and to take advantage of unforeseen opportunities for adjustments and details along the way. One of my favorite things about working with my clients is learning about their lives and then translating that into the details of their garden. Whether it's a hand-etched number in a front walk, the selection and placement of boulders, the installation of art, or the procurement and planting of an exquisite container. They bring magic to the garden and make it a one-of-a-kind. What I bring to the design process is a combination of a good design eye, solid horticultural knowledge, great working relationships with some of the best garden-related professionals and artisans in the area. Each project demands a different collection of professionals. It's like conducting an orchestra where each part plays an essential role and that the sum is more beautiful than each part. It's all of the parts fitting together into a beautiful, enduring, unified whole. It's a real privilege to help people design the spaces that they live in day in and day out, and season after season, with their parents and their children and their pets. And I'm looking to craft the moments where the homeowner or the guest turns the corner and catches their breath.